So sir, may napansin kanina na may C-130 lumapag sa TOG 11. And si Secretary Abalos nagsabi na nag-surrender na si Kibuloy or nahuli. Ano ba yung totoo? Ano ba yung, from your end, ano yung nangyayari po?
Well, I was informed by the Secretary that Mr. Kibuloy had already surrendered or nahuli na. Hindi ko alam ang details, kaya kung pwede ba.
Sir, may nakita kami na convoy of vehicles from KOGC hangar. Possible ba na nakasakay doon si Kibuloy?
Well, of course. Medyo, di ba? Hindi naman ordinary yan eh. So, most probably, yun ang nangyayari siguro. I just don't know. I don't know the details yet. And I don't think I'll be authorized to release that.
So, si Secretary Abalos lang ang pwede mag-confirm nitong lahat?
Yes, yes.
Hindi.
So, confirm na, na siya kasi Secretary Abalos, on air na sila ngayon?
Well, kung yun nga nakita yung C-130 ang pinagsakyan, well, most probably yun na yun. Kasi kinonfirm na rin ni Secretary Abalos.
Kasi it's really C-130?
Yeah, that's C-130.
Dito po dumating.
Dumating sa Davao.
TOG 11?
TOG 11, yeah.
Then may nakasunod na 9 vehicles on convoy.
Yeah, may convoy na nakita, sabi niya, di ba? Tapos it was led by our Obseyo.
Ay lumitaw na siya.
It's a relief, you know? Malaking relief. Matulog muna ako.